Hey guys, welcome to AI Money University. Today we'll be launching our first module where I'll be showing you how to do AI product photoshoot and earn over $5,000 per month. First, I would like to show you how people are selling this service, and then we will go and see how to create this. So first I'll design premium AI lifestyle image and product mockup photos. This is an AI artist who has been vetted pro and he has like under the 53 reviews. He charges $100 for a single photo shoot and he charges $250 for 3 product photo shoot and like 5 product photo shoot costs $350 with him. So you can just do your math and see how much he is making. Now we see another gig. I'll create AI generated product photography image editing that drives sales. He has 2 orders in queue. He charges $15 for 1 image, like $30 for 2 image and $50 for 4 image. Again, we have someone called Adib bin Sahid. He has 4 orders in queue and he charges $23 for 1 photo. He charges like $33 for 1 photo, but it's upskilled only, and he charges like $47 for 1 upskilled variation with hero shots. Now, this is very easy to create with AI, and you can reach all these results. So I'll be showing you 2 different methods in our classroom. I posted this one. So what I'll be doing is that we'll start with this product only, and I'll show you how to create different variations of it, and ultimately we'll understand how to create AI photoshoot. So there are 2 methods. One is paid and one is free. However, the paid one is worth it. For the paid one, we'll be using a tool called Jog AI. I'll send and paste the link of it into the class so that you can directly go over here. So over here, what you need to do is that click on Get Started. This interface will open up. Here you will need to click on product photoshoot. Now once you have clicked over here, you can see the image which I uploaded is here. First of all, you will need to upload your product image over here. So this is the raw copy of the product which I have uploaded over here. Now there are several methods of what you can do. Since this is a perfume, you can generate a product shot or model showcase. It depends on you. So for now, I'll be showing you product shot and model showcase as well. But first, let's go with the product shot. So in this, you can select it's a fragrance. Now you do have several options like how you want it to look like. So for example, you can select this one and then it generates. So based on the quality which you are offering in gig, you can select low, medium and high. So for example, I'll select high and we'll just generate one. Okay, so this particular product shot is being generated. Meanwhile, let's go and explore other gigs as well, which are present on Fiverr. So you can see AI product photography with realistic models. So the second thing which I'll be showing you how to create model Photoshop that will look like this, and you can see people are creating gigs over here. So this AI thing is pretty new, so you can directly tap into Fiverr and can start making money easily, and it's selling like crazy. You see this gig? Abhijit, I'll create AI generated product photography model, and then it's like 15 bucks he's charging. He has 152 reviews, and you can see what kind of product photo shoot he is doing with the AI. Let's go back to the Jog AI. So it's 33% done and it will generate it in a bit. Just give it a while because it generates very realistic product photo shot without changing the product and the text over it. Okay, meanwhile this is happening, let's do one model showcase of the product as well. So this is the model showcase option. Over here we'll get several options. Is it clothing, beverage, jewelry, headphone, mobile phone, eyewear, bags and luggage or anything? But we do not get option of applying a perfume over here. So what we can do is that we can simply type in prompt and we can generate a prompt over here. So instead of just typing a random prompt, we will go to ChatGPT and type, hey, I am doing a AI photo shoot of my product, which is perfume. I want you to act as an AI photographer and write me a prompt for doing photo shoot with a female model using the product. And now let's just send it to the ChatGPT and it will write a prompt for you. A high fashion photo shoot featuring confident, elegant woman. So simply just copy this. You can whatever you can imagine, you can just type in over here and can come with that particular prompt and can paste it. And I'll just generate one and then hit generate. Okay, so awesome. You will see the AI product photo shoot, which we initially did for the product shot, has been generated. Now you can see how beautiful this is, and you can easily sell it out on Fiverr. Now the model showcase photo generation is in progress. Once it is generated, I'll show you that as well. A fast forward to it, our model product showcase has been generated as well. So let's click over here, and now you can see a model holding a product over here is present now. What you can do is that if you want to change anything into it, you can simply get a prompt written from ChatGPT and can easily paste it over here. So that's completely on your imagination how you want this particular product to look. So now I have shown you how to do AI photo shoot of the product without model, and I have shown you how to do the model showcase using AI as well. So you can generate using Jog AI, and it consumes very less credits. Like it took 0.5 credits for generating one. Since we have already seen the paid method, how to do it, now let's go to ChatGPT and do photo shoot using ChatGPT and see how it does. Now let's get into ChatGPT. So this is the free method. Hey, I want you to act as an AI photographer for my product, perfume and incense sticks. I will share product image and you need to give me prompt to generate luxurious. Photo shoot of the product. So you can change the keyword as you need. Like I'm going for the luxurious, you can go for something else. I mean, if it's a natural product, so you can do like that. So here ChatGPT is saying, I'll give you multiple prompt variations such as a study luxury shot, lifestyle ambience shot, creative artistic shots. So I'll say yes, please. Yes, do them separately. Here's the product shot, which we'll need to upload over here. Perfume product photo shot, the style would be luxury studio shot, then lifestyle ambience, then the creative smoke effect, and then incense stick photo shoot prompts. It's like okay, so it took like both of them are separately. I'll just tell him no, both the products are in one photo, not separate. By mistake I wrote like they are separate, but they are same, so I will just do it like this. Okay, it's saying it has already generated the prompts, but to refine it, I can send the product image and it will refine its prompt according to the product. So let's upload the product and just upload it. Now here is the Royal Elegant Citizen prompt. Here is the minimalist editorial prompt, the spa and serenity prompt. So it has given 5 prompts. So for example, if you want to do a spa and serenity, you can just copy this, go back to Jog AI, do the product shot and write in the prompt over here and just paste it, and it will generate one as per that particular prompt. But what we'll do is that we'll generate this via ChatGPT itself. Now I want you to do the product photo shoot and send me one by Bull. Sometimes ChatGPT behaves weird. I want you to generate product photos. As you mentioned in previous prompts, over here he will see like it's saying it doesn't generate product photo shots, but it can give us prompt. But when I just change the prompt over here, I want you to generate the product photos as you mentioned in previous prompts. Now it will generate the same for me as well. So let's see what it does. So, okay, and now you can see that ChatGPT has done the product shoot, photo shoot for us, and it's completely generated. Now I'll ask it to generate the next one. Next, please. So this is how you can simply just ask ChatGPT to do the product photo shoot as well. Sometimes it can just say like it doesn't do it, but don't get panicked. Simply just write in a different prompt and it will do it for you. So yeah, this is how you can generate product photo shots, and then you can sell it on platforms like Fiverr. And again, you can see how people are selling it out now. You see this thing you can easily generate. We did write the prompt over here to see. This prompt was given from the ChatGPT, which we pasted into Jog AI for the product photo shot, and you can see how beautiful this is and how easy it is to implement these. But you will see it has put in the incense into this particular perfume, so you will need to regenerate this. So it's like it's AI, it will generate the perfect shots, but sometimes it can get wrong, so you'll just need to play around with it. You can either remix it or you can regenerate it. So that's it. If there is any doubt or anything, simply post in the community, or if you have generated with your product photo shots, simply post it, and soon we'll be launching giveaways for the people who are more active into the community. So until we do the next module, have an amazing time. Bye bye.